Now we're looking from the front to the back. I'm going to take out these old sutures that have torn apart here to tighten this up. Look at that. Got it out. Excellent. It just stops it. Watch your finger. Pull it out. Grabber. Give me a grabber. That'd be great. Just something, a snap or something, please. That fiber wire is so stuffed. Can't get it on here. Good. Good. Tough to get that out of there. Okay, lift up again. Good. All right, so I think we got those out of this. Look down below. Before we get the Labrum, I want to put a couple tacks in the back here. We'll go to pause. Okay, get the open lasso.